Before you begin, ensure you're wearing all the appropriate safety equipment. You may need help from another person depending on the size and weight of the sliding sash. The tools you'll need are a Phillips head screwdriver, long nose pliers, a vacuum cleaner and a small brush. Ensure you have the correct replacement roller. To replace a roller, you'll need to remove the sliding sash. Slide the sash open about halfway. Lift the sash, tilt its bottom towards you and out over the sill. Carefully move the sash downwards to remove it from the window. Gently rest it on the floor, ensuring you have access to the rollers. Remove the damaged roller by tapping it at the base with a Phillips head screwdriver and pulling it with your hand or a long nose plier. Insert the new Bradnam's roller and ensure it is rolling freely. Repeat with other rollers if required. Before returning the sliding sash into the window, clean the sill with a vacuum cleaner and a small brush. Return the sliding sash into the window by reversing step 2. You've now successfully replaced an essential sliding window roller.